Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G32 and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to show your toggles and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and one of them, which for me is one that we're looking for on the first page, is the Do Not Disturb toggle. Now this is the default location of them, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Once you see it, if you're doing this the first time, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and here you can just check out how it's set by default. If something doesn't fit your needs, change it. Once you have done so, you can then find the toggle once again, tap on it to turn it on, and also tap on it once more to turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.